Hi, my name is Dylan. Today, I'm going to introduce the three main types of freight trains in the Western Taiwan. First, the most common one is for military uses. The freight trains transport a variety of military vehicles, helping the troops to move more quickly. Second, the next type is freight trains that transport rails. These kind of flat cars are used to maintain the railway's quality and to ensure the passengers' safety. Lastly, the most special one, when the locomotives need to be moved to another station or they are going to be abandoned, they'll be linked with freight trains. The latter is also called the graduation trip because it's the last time for them to run on the railroad. In addition, freight trains can also have more than one function. For example, train number 7202 on March 28, 2024 is not only military trains, but also the train that transported the abandoned R38 diesel-electric locomotive. Isn't it cool? That's all for today. Thanks for listening.